Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back, dear students. This is mathematics online class. Myself Rafaqat Ali. Today we are going to discuss this topic. Ax square, you can see this is the standard form of the equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. This is called standard form of the equation. Here in the previous exercises we were seeing that here the no value, only 1, means x square only. Value of other than 1. In this topic we will discuss the value other than 1. Other than 1 mean can be 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, whatever. Chapter number 13, exercise 13H, page number 230. Today the March 23. Let's start. Most of the times a is equals to 1 in the equation. In the previous all exercises there will be x square, with every equation starts with x square, but now means the a is equals to 1. Ax square plus bx plus c. Again this is the standard form of the equation. Here you can see this is a. Almost in previous all exercises a is 1, but now can be the different. The next exercise, consider quadratic equation for the value of other than 1. So question number 1, see here, not 1, not only x square, here 2x square. So when you factorize this 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equals 0, it will be 2x minus 1, x minus 2. There is some steps between, you can skip that steps, you can directly write these factors. So when you solve this for the x, very simple, 2x minus 1 equals 0 and x minus 2 equals 0. This minus 1 comes here to become positive and this 2 will be in the division. When you bring this minus 2 to other side, it will become positive. So these are the two answers. Here the answer is 1 over 2 and 2, not 1 1. By mistake it is 1 1. So answer is x is equals to 1 over 2 and x is equals to 2. Now the next question. Question number 5, 2x square plus 9x minus 35. So what you will do for making the factors, the first thing you will multiply 2 by 35, 70. So now we will make the pair of 70. When we multiply should be 70, when we add or subtract should be 9. So 14 multiply 5 equals 70, 14 minus 5 equal 9. So this is the pair, 14 minus 5 equal 9. 14 minus 5, this is the pair for us. 2x square plus 14x minus 5x minus 35 equals 0. Now what is the common or the same value here in these two first values? 2x common. So x plus 7, from here 2x come out and x plus 7 inside. From these two values 5 common. So x plus 7 inside the bracket. Now the first bracket x plus 7 and the second bracket 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5 equal into x plus 7 equals 0. You can skip these two steps if you can. If you want to separately solve, no problem. You can directly write this step. 2x minus 5 into x plus 7 equals 0. So now 2x minus 5 equals 0 and x plus 7 equals 0. X equal 5 over 2 and x is equals to minus 7. So these are the two answers or the roots of this quadratic equation with the value of a other than 1. Next question. 5x square plus 27x plus 10. Now we will make the pair of 50. 5 multiplied 10. 50. We will make the pair of 50. When we add or subtract should be 27. So it is very easy, 25 multiplied by 2, 50, and 25 plus 2 equal 27. So our pair is 25 plus 2. See, 5x plus 2, x plus 5 is the answer. I skipped the two steps inside. So now 5x plus 2 equals 0 and x plus 5 equals 0. Answer is minus 2 over 5. It will be minus. Here minus missed. So it will be x equal minus 2 over 5. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself, and inshallah see you soon. Goodbye.